Ever wonder how your dog always seems to know exactly where they're going?
Like even when you take them somewhere totally new.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
It really is.
Well, today we're going to be diving into how dogs navigate.
Okay.
And it turns out it's way more complex than you might think.
More than just following their nose.
Oh, way more.
Yeah.
We're talking about a whole system of senses, even some that might sound a little, well, unbelievable at first.
Okay, you've got me intrigued. Lay it on me. What kind of secrets are we talking about?
Well, one of the most fascinating things about dog navigation is something called magnetoreception.
Magnetoreception. That sounds like something straight out of a superhero movie.
It kind of does.
So what is it exactly? Do dogs have like a sixth sense or something?
In a way, yeah. It's the ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field.
Okay.
And use it kind of like an internal compass.
Wow. Okay, so that's how they always seem to know which way is north.
Exactly. It helps them orient themselves even in unfamiliar places.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
But how do we even know they can do that? Is there like actual scientific proof?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. There have been some really cool studies done on this.
Like what?
Well, one study I found really interesting was done with hunting dogs.
Okay.
Researchers in the Czech Republic noticed that these dogs would often do this weird thing before heading home.
What, like a little dance?
Not quite. They'd make these short runs.
Okay.
Almost always in a north-south direction.
Huh.
And the scientists believed they were basically calibrating their internal compass using the Earth's magnetic field.
So they're like checking their bearings before setting off.
Exactly.
Ready, club?
That's wild. So it's like a little ritual they do.
It seems that way. And you know, it's not just hunting dogs.
Really?
There's evidence that even our everyday pet dogs use magnetoreception.
I never would have guessed. So like, when are they using it?
Well, get this. There's research that suggests dogs align themselves with the Earth's magnetic field when they poop.
Wait, seriously? They poop in a specific direction? It seems so. It's a little funny.
Oh, absolutely.
But it just goes to show how ingrained this magnetic sense might be in their everyday lives.
That is hilarious. I've got to watch my dog next time. But seriously, that's mind-blowing. Okay, so we've got this whole magnetic sense thing going on, but I got to imagine their sense of smell plays a role too, right? I mean, dogs are famous for their sniffers.
Absolutely. Their sense of smell is like their superpower.
Right.
It's absolutely crucial for how they navigate. Every sniff, every little scent they pick up, it's all adding to their incredibly detailed scent map of the world.
A scent map. So it's like they're creating a mental map, but using smells instead of like visuals.
Exactly. Think about it. Every time they sniff a fire hydrant, a tree, even another dog, they're gathering information, leaving their own scent markers, building this incredibly intricate map of their surroundings.
And they can remember all those smells.
Oh, yeah. Their sense of smell is way more powerful than ours.
I mean, I know they're good, but how much better?
Okay, so get this. Dogs can have up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses.
300 million.
Wow. Compared to like a measly 6 million for us humans.
Oh, wow. No wonder we can't even compare.
Right. They're picking up on subtle scents, trails, messages left by other animals, things we can't even imagine.
That's amazing. It's like they're experiencing a whole other dimension of the world.
It really is.
Okay, so we've got magnetoreception. We've got this incredible sense of smell. What about their vision? Do they use landmarks at all?
They do. Now, their vision isn't as sharp as ours, and they don't see colors as vividly.
Okay.
But they are still capable of recognizing key landmarks and using them to find their way around.
So even though they're super smell focused, they're still taking in visual information too.
Exactly. Think of it like this. They might remember a certain tree where they had a fun game of fetch, or a building they always pass on their walk. These visual cues act as extra reference points on their mental map.
So it's like a multi-layered system. They're not just relying on one sense, but using all of them together.
Exactly. That's what makes it so fascinating. It's this incredible integration of magnetoreception, their powerful sense of smell, and even visual cues.
It's like they have a built-in GPS, but way cooler.
And the craziest part is they do it all so effortlessly.
I know. It's like they don't even have to think about it. They just know.
It makes you wonder, are we humans missing out on something?
What do you mean?
Well, maybe if we paid more attention to our own senses, really tuned in to the world around us, maybe we could learn a thing or two from dogs about navigating.
That's a really interesting thought. Maybe we could all become better explorers if we tapped into our senses the way dogs do. Well, that's all the time we have for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us. It's been incredible to learn about the amazing world of dog navigation.
Absolutely.
And who knows, maybe next time you're out with your dog, you'll see they're sniffing and wandering in a whole new light.
And maybe you'll even start paying a little more attention to your own senses, too.
Mm-hmm.